Alright guys, what to do? It's your boy Exia back with another video. And today's video, we're just going to give you guys an update on the stimulus bill that did pass. Just tell you guys what we're looking at, how things turned out, and what we have to look forward to, and is it bad? Is the bill truly going to pass? And we're going to get into that today. And also today, like I said earlier, I told you guys that I did erase and use all of the money from my Robinhood to squash a couple of my bills due to the pandemic. And so pretty much we're starting over from scratch. And as of right now, I only have like $185 in my Robinhood. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to build that portfolio back up and far surpass where I was even at. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so pretty much the stimulus bill passed. Yes, it's a chance that you can get a second round of stimulus checks. You can get that forbearance that can help your payments move to the end of your loan automatically. Yes, it's so much that could happen, but will it happen? We don't know. And the reason I say this, although the bill has passed, it has only passed the first gate. And it passed the House. But yet again, the House is controlled by Democrats, which are the people who put this bill up in the first place. And the Republicans are not too fond of the bill. And majority of the Republicans really think the bill would just get probably about 50% of the Republicans just think this bill is going to get destroyed. It's not going to go through, and it's a high possibility of it actually. And the reason that is being because they don't think that we actually need another stimulus check. They don't think that it's that bad. They do think we need some things, but not everything that's in that bill, and that's why. No, as I said, it got past the first gate, which would be the House. Next, it's going to step up into the Senate. And when it gets to the Senate, they're going to piece by piece tear that bill apart. Everything that's in it will most likely not completely stay in it. They may knock out a lot of things. There's no really telling what they want to take and what they don't want to take. And that's why I say it passed, but it hasn't passed. And so pretty much, like I said, they're just gonna take that word for word, all 1,800 pages, and just dissect it and pick out the things that they like and pick out the things that they don't like. But even so, a lot of the Republicans have already stressed their beliefs on it, as far as they think that we need stimulus, but we don't need stimulus as of right now. And what they mean is, they do think we need help, us the people and the businesses and everything, but they don't think that we need their help urgent. So even if the bill passed, which is it's a possibility, but a lot of people think they're going to dumb that bill down a lot, and by a miracle, if it passed through with majority of the things intact, I mean, the odds of us getting that stimulus check anytime soon, if that's what you're looking for, is very, very slim. And by that, I mean, you probably won't even get that stimulus check to probably the end of June, beginning of July. Because like I said, Memorial Day coming up, so that, I mean, they've already announced the day that they're going to be taking a couple days, whatever that means. But they're not going to jump right in on this bill. It's not even going to get voted on from the Senate. They're going to have to look over it, and it's going to take some time, a decent amount of time, actually. So we're not even to the point where they're just fully dissecting it yet. So like I said, even if it did pass, the odds of you getting that stimulus anytime soon, slim, big fella. So if you're banking on that and you guys just really, really need it, I would really suggest that you guys look for option B, and look wherever you need to look, do whatever you have to do, but don't count on that stimulus anytime soon, like anytime soon. But hey, it passed round 1. So if there was a UFC fight and they won a title bout, we got 3 rounds left, and the second round will be the Senate, and that third one will be Trump. So that is what we're looking at as far as that stimulus, and only time will tell. But that's that. And another things I want to talk to you guys about in this video, of course, like I said, I did sell all of my stocks in my Robinhood. I want to say about $7,000 to $8,000 that was in my Robinhood. I was slowly gaining traction towards that. My first 10K invested in my Robinhood, and I did pull out everything. I had a couple dividend payments pending, and I think I left about $150 in there. But as of right now, it is sitting at about $185, and I think I only bought 5 shares as of right now, and those 5 shares is SPD. And the reason I bought those is because the market is crashing. It's not doing too hot, especially with the vaccine that everybody thought was going to be something. Turned out to be and so the market's been going down due to that. So I just want, since I'm starting over from scratch, I want to keep my portfolio pretty diverse starting out. So I'm going to really jump back into it with SPHD. Like I said, that is an index fund, and it's very well diverse, and it does pay out monthly. And I think I would need that early on just to help me out with the money I put in, to help me rebuild that portfolio to really push towards the catch up to where I was and beyond. And that's pretty much where I'm at now. My actual goal, like I said, would be to really get a decent amount of SPHD. I haven't decided on which share I'm going to buy next. I just know right now I'm just going to get SPHD to roughly about 50 shares. So that's probably going to run about $1,500. And after that, then I started to look at other, some of the stocks that I had to see which was, see which way I can best, push it to, maximize my profit and gain traction, so I can really catch up to where I was. The thing about that is, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna roughly invest about $1,000 a month into my Robinhood. If I'm not mistaken, it should be $1,000 a month. So roughly about $500 every 2 weeks when I get paid is going to go into my Robinhood, so I can start back to catch up to where I was, and hopefully surpass myself pretty soon. Because I think I'm gonna catch up pretty quick due to the fact, like I said, I did take that money out to erase some of my bills. So I do have more money coming in, less going out now. So that's something to really look forward to. And like I said, if you guys haven't watched my channel before, like I said, I'm Exia. This is a personal finance channel. I talked to you guys about personal finances, just overall money, how to save it and everything. And the reason I say that is, if you're looking for a way to make passive income, if you're looking for a way to get more bang for your buck, or just look for ways to budget your money better, this is the place to be. Like I said, I release a plethora of videos, and I drop 2 a week, and in all these videos I've dropped, majority of the videos, not all of the videos that I drop, these are methods that I have personally used myself to get to where I am. I'm not trying to say I'm some type of big shot, big baller. No Stephen Graham over here. I'm just an average Joe, but I think I do okay for myself. And like I said, every video I've made, I know personally these things work because I've done them. And it's not the fastest method. It's not gonna get you no Warren Buffett money anytime soon, but it's a day-by-day thing, a step-by-step, a process, and it's just a way to get you moving in the right direction. Because I know, like I said, when I first started, I didn't know half of these things, and I went through a lot of bumping and grinding and tripping and falling, and just cost me a lot of money. But I learned it, and I started to use these skills, use these strategies, and they start to work. Like I said, I've even helped friends get to a place where they're more comfortable with their money. And like I said, just watch the videos. Take what you want. Always double check, triple check, fact check everything. Just you really get all that you can from one person, get all you can from another person, all from another person, combine them, fact check, and then you proceed with what best for you, because all situations are different. I mean, everybody has things going on that the next person doesn't. But like I said, the way I did it, even if you have a crap ton of things going on in your life and you just don't know where to begin, just watch my videos and I guarantee you they'll help you out. Without a doubt. Matter of fact, money back guaranteed. You heard me. But like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I do drop videos every 2 weeks. Leave in any answers or questions you have in the comments, and I will definitely get to those. My Instagram is in the description. If you want to know, hit me up on social media and have any questions. And also down there is my link to my Robinhood, where you can sign up and get you a free start and start investing today to fruit your adventures in the future. So, like I said, if you do sign up with my link in the description for as far as my Robinhood, you will get a free stock, and I will also get a free stock. But like I said, start today, and like I said, just watch, because I should do an update probably next Monday. I will drop another video as far as my Robinhood and where I'm at and how I'm moving forward, just so you guys can see it and kind of get just a little example of ways that I'm moving to get my portfolio back to where it was. And probably once a week I will do an update on just my Robinhood in general, because I really want you guys to see it so you can see how to go about doing it. One of the many ways to go about doing it to help you guys build your portfolio. Like I said, you don't have to follow my specific. I'm going to give you examples. I'm going to show you other stocks that I'm interested in. And like I said, always have questions, you can always hit me up on social media or just leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that like button. But this is your boy Exia, and I'm out.